All right, folks, welcome back, and we're going to try and plant and grow something else here. We're going to try some celery. It's a nice little easy thing to try and grow. So we will show you the steps on getting it prepared, and then we will get this planted. All right, so what we'll start with is just like normal stock of celery you buy at the store. And you just cut it off like you normally would, and then we're going to keep this part. Now, this is the part we'll put in the ground, but we need to cut off this little piece right here, and let's show you that real quick. All right, so we just need to take this, and just take a little bit off this bottom piece. This is where our roots come out to start the next one. Okay, like that. We're going to do it for the other one. We're going to do a try. We're going to get brave here. All right. Okay, we're all finished now, so let's take this outside and get it planted. All right, so we'll go ahead and start. We got a little, this is just a little regular garden soil. There's an all-purpose and there's a veggie one. You can use whichever one you want. So we're just gonna head and take these and set them in here. You put dirt around. Now you don't have to cover them. So put some nice dirt around them. Now they don't need a lot of heat and about 6 hours of sunlight. So we kind of put it over here in the shade since we do live here in Florida and it can get a little warm. So we'll go ahead and put a little water on these. Not too much because I think we're supposed to get an afternoon shower today. And then we will watch this, update you, and let you know how it looks and tastes and how long it takes.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in next time.